In the You Are Here slide, requirements hit two boxes in the V: product requirements and software requirements. In some cases, there are 3 levels of requirements or more depending on how the system is decomposed. But generically, there are 2 types of requirements. One is from the product point of view, the other is a detailed engineering point of view. The product level requirements talk about what the product does, typically from the way a user sees the system. As an example, PR6, product requirement number 6. The clock shall support a user-settable audible alarm. That does not tell you what the alarm sounds like. It's not even clear what user-settable means. But from a product definition point of view, it means that there has to be an alarm and the user has to be able to say what time the alarm should activate. Product level requirements typically look like a feature list of what the product does that a user or purchaser of the product would be interested in. Product requirements ideally are the interface between marketing and engineering. The marketing group says this is what we want to sell, and the engineers use that as a starting point to figure out what to build and how to build it. More detailed engineering requirements talk about how the product actually works. For example, R5, time set buttons shall change the alarm set time. Much more concrete, it tells you how the system works. Embedded systems also have detailed requirements that may be tied to operational modes. For example, R5, in alarm set mode, the time set buttons shall change the alarm set time. That implies there might be other modes, such as the setting the time of day mode, but that's not this requirement. R6, pressing the plus time set button shall increase time value by 1 minute per button press according to the current set mode. That's a very specific requirement that tells you exactly how setting the time works, whereas the product requirements just say the function has to be in there someplace.